To turn on or off camera watermark on Samsung Galaxy A05, first let's open our camera app. And then we can click on the gear icon in the top left section of our camera app, and there's a watermark right here. When activated, you'll be able to customize it, so we can change the name displayed on that watermark. You can edit it right here or leave it as a Samsung Galaxy A05. We can also enable a date underneath it and the time as well. There's also option to adjust the font for it, and then we can change the alignment where the watermark should be. We can also move it to the top section. So now when we have that enabled, let's take a photo. And there's our watermark right there.